In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make multiple relationship joins to the same table in Microsoft Access. This is a common need when one main table points to the same lookup table in more than one way, like an orders table that needs both a bill to and a ship to from the customers table. The key is to build a single query where the same lookup table appears multiple times, each copy representing a different role. Start by opening Microsoft Access and the database you want to work with. If you're experimenting, it's a good idea to work on a copy so you can try things without worry. Then go to the Create tab and choose Query Design. You'll see the Show Table window. Add your main table first. Next, add the lookup table once, and then add it again. It will appear with a suffix like 1 the second time. That's normal. Each instance is treated as a separate alias of the same table. If you need a third role, add it a third time. To keep everything clear, assign meaningful aliases to each repeated table. In the design pane, right-click the title bar of a repeated lookup table, choose properties, and set the alias to something descriptive such as bill to and ship to. Clear labels make the field list and the results much easier to read later. Now create the joins. Click and drag the foreign key in your main table, such as bill to customer ID, to the primary key of the corresponding lookup table alias, such as the customer ID in the bill to alias. Repeat for the next role by dragging ship to customer ID to the customer ID in the ship to alias. You should now see separate join lines from the main table to each alias. Define the join behavior. Double-click each join line to open join properties. If you want to return only rows where a match exists in both tables, use the default inner join. If you want to keep all records from the main table, even when the lookup value is missing, choose the option that includes all records from the main table and only matching records from the alias. Set this appropriately for each relationship. Add the fields you need to the grid below. Pull in key fields from the main table and the descriptive fields from each alias, like name or address. If two aliases have a field with the same name, Access will prefix them with the alias so you can tell them apart. For extra clarity in the results, you can type a column label like bill to name, bill to, customer name in the field row. When you're ready, click Run to view the results. If you see unexpected duplicates, confirm that the lookup table's join field is unique and revisit your join types. With clear aliases and correctly defined joins, you'll have a clean, readable query that pulls multiple relationships from the same table with confidence.